Question 1. On Saturday, we dash at home. Options are staying, stayed, state, stay. The right answer is stayed. On Saturday, we stayed at home.
Question 2. Yesterday, I dash a letter to my best friend. Options are write, writed, writing, wrote. The right answer is wrote. Yesterday, I wrote a letter to my best friend. Here is the next question. Last month, I dash a lovely lady. Options are met, meet, meted, meet.
Correct option is met. Last month, I met a lovely lady.
Question 4. Last year my mother and I dash on holiday to Jamaica. Choose an answer. Go, went, goed, going. The correct answer is went. Last year my mother and I went on holiday to Jamaica. Question 5. The word is dash. Here are the options. Underlined, crossed out, circled, ticked.
Right choice is crossed out. The word is crossed out.
Next one is we dash in Rotterdam last week. Pick a right answer. Was, were. The correct answer is were. We were in Rotterdam last week.
Question 7. They dash at the meeting on Tuesday. Guess the correct answer. Wasn't, weren't. The right answer is weren't. They weren't at the meeting on Tuesday.
Question 8. She dash on Friday. Choose an answer. Was, were.
The correct answer is was. She was ill on Friday. Question 9. Dash in the office last week. Choose an answer. You were. Were you? I were. Where I'm. Right choice is. Were you? Were you in the office last week?
Question 10. Dash is not a place. Guess the correct answer. A home. A beach. Asleep. A cafe. Right choice is asleep. Asleep is not a place. Question 11. Yesterday we were dash work. Options are on, in, at. No preposition.
The right answer is at. Yesterday we were at work. Question 12. On Sunday, I was dash bed. Here are the options. On, in, at. No preposition. Right choice is in. On Sunday, I was in bed.
Question 13. Last week we were dash holiday. Choose an answer. On, in, at. No preposition.
The right answer is on. Last week, we were on holiday.
Awesome, here is one more. We were in Paris at the dash. Here are the options. Weekend. Weekend. Weekend.
The right answer is weekend. We were in Paris at the weekend.
Question 15. On holiday, I dash a book by John Grisham. Here are the options. Read. 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 Reading.
The right answer is read. On holiday, I read a book by John Grisham.
Question 16. It's quite expensive, but they have great food is about dash. Guess the correct answer. A book or film. A cafe. A restaurant.
Right choice is a restaurant. It's quite expensive, but they have great food is about a restaurant. Question 17. Dash is a positive adjective. Guess the correct answer. Terrible. Very bad. Not very good. Wonderful.
Correct option is not very good. Not very good is a positive adjective.
Question 18. We saw a film, Tuscany. Options are call, calls, called, calling.
Right choice is called. We saw a film called Tuscany.
Question 19. Can I have a glass of water? I'm dash. Pick a right answer. Thirsty. 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 Correct option is thirsty. Can I have a glass of water? I'm thirsty.
Question 20. The book was very dash. Options are interesting, 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 interesting. Right choice is interesting. The book was very interesting.